Next, we discuss distribution functions. Distribution functions. What is distribution function? A function f such that minus infinity to infinity to r, a function such that minus infinity to infinity to r defined by f of x equal to probability of minus infinity less than x less than equal to small x, where capital X is random variable and small x belongs to minus infinity open interval minus infinity to infinity. What is distribution function? Distribution function is a function defined on open interval minus infinity to r by f of x, capital f of x equal to probability of minus infinity less than capital X means random variable, less than equal to small x belongs to minus infinity open interval minus infinity to infinity. This is the distribution function. And probability of minus infinity and probability of minus infinity less than capital X less than equal to x means probability of omega belongs to S, omega belongs to event space S, has that minus infinity less than x of omega less than equal to small x. This is called distribution functions. If f is denoted by distribution functions f of x. Note, these distribution functions, since this is a real valued function since 2r. Note, probability of minus infinity less than capital X means capital X means random variable less than equal to small x belongs to 0 to 1, since belongs to closed interval 0 to 0 1. So probability of minus infinity less than capital X less than equal to small x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1, for small x belongs to open interval minus infinity to infinity. This is simple since we know that probability of any event P of A is P0 less than equal to P of A less than equal to 1. This is this. This means probability of A belongs to closed interval 0 to 1. So probability of this belongs to closed interval 0 to 1. Therefore, the range of the subset of the range of f, this is a range. The range of f of x is the range of f. So range of f is a subset of the interval 0 to 1. It is a subset of the interval 0, closed interval 0 and 1. Okay. Second note, the distribution function also denoted by f subscript x x. Distribution function also denoted by f subscript x of x. Okay. Next, we discuss some useful result, not so important. Some useful result. Let x be the random variable defined on event space S. X be the random variable defined on the event space S, and distribution function is probability of minus infinity less than capital X less than equal to x, where small x belongs to minus infinity to infinity open interval, is the distribution function of x. Then 1. Probability of a less than x less than equal to b is f of b minus f of a. This is the first result. Probability of a less than x less than equal to b is f of b minus f of a, where f is the distribution function. Second result, f is monotonic non-decreasing functions. Monotonic non-decreasing means monotonic increasing function. Monotonic increasing means x and y belongs to real number such that x greater than y. If f is monotonic increasing with x less than y, then imply f of x greater than f of y. This is called monotone non-decreasing. Okay, monotone non-decreasing means x, if x less than y, then f of x less than f of y. This is called monotone non-decreasing. Third result, f of plus infinity equal to 1. F of plus infinity equal to 1. Fourth result, f of minus infinity equal to 0. F of plus infinity equal to 1, f of minus infinity equal to 0. Fifth result, f of a equal to f of a plus 0. F of a equal to f of a plus 0. Okay, f of a equal to f of a plus 0, where a belongs to real number. And sixth result is f of a minus f of a minus 0 is equal to probability of x equal to a. F of a minus f of a minus 0 is equal to p probability of x equal to a, where a belongs to real number. This is the sixth result. Okay.